Hi friends, welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. If you are new here, let's enjoy cooking with me. Today I'm going to be making tender Kobe beef steak. As I have mentioned before, my husband is from Kobe. The store in our neighborhood has good varieties of Wagyu beef at a very reasonable price. Let me show you the beef corner of the store. It's in a residential area located on the east edge of Kobe. This is not a high-end store, but their varieties of Wagyu beef are so excellent. You can find the fine cuts with very fatty marbled beef here. They are so trustworthy and I love their beef so much. If you happen to come to Kobe, I recommend to stay at the condominium with kitchen and cook legendary Kobe beef at your place. Kobe is less crowded compared to Kyoto and Osaka. Moreover, there is many places to see and I am sure that you can have a quality time. And you can go to the Himeji castle, which is the most beautiful castle in Japan. Let's get started cooking. Take out your steak from the fridge and bring to a room temperature. It's going to take a few hours for this size. This is the most important step in searing the Wagyu beef. Start heating the grill pan on high heat. Pat dry the steak and sprinkle salt and pepper on one side. Place your steak onto the grill, season side down, and season the other side. Sear it on high heat for about a minute or so, then rotate the steak 45 degrees angle. Sear another 30 seconds and flip it over and cook another 1 minute. Take out onto a tray, then rest it for a few minutes. The juice will set while resting and cut into strips with very sharp knife. We use chopsticks pretty much every meal, so we slice the steak like this. If you use knife and fork, serve directly onto a serving dish. Transfer to a plate and serve immediately. I like to serve with vegetable and potato gratin. I like to dip into wasabi soy sauce. Goes very well with fatty and sweet Kobe beef. Another recommendation is mustard soy sauce. We enjoy the beef with rice and miso soup. This is the steak dinner for me. I want to have a nice cut of Kobe beef on a special day like accomplishing something. The cravings for the meat happens to me once or twice a year. How often are you eating the steak? Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon and you won't miss any of my new Japanese food videos. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!